In today's rapidly evolving infrastructure landscape, operational efficiency and predictive maintenance are key. Introducing the digital twin of our pumping station, a game changer in smart water management. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical system. Here, we've created a real-time, data-driven model of our pumping station, replicating its mechanical systems, performance, and environment. Through integrated IoT sensors and advanced analytics, the twin continuously updates to reflect actual operating conditions. We can monitor flow rates, detect pressure anomalies, and optimize energy use, all from one dashboard. The system enables scenario testing and predictive maintenance. If a pump shows signs of wear, the twin alerts operators, helping prevent costly downtime. Accessible from any location, this powerful tool supports remote monitoring, collaboration, and informed decision-making. The digital twin isn't just a replica, it's a smarter, more connected future for pumping station management. CMETs Energy, Infinity and Beyond. Your digital twin partner.